Hey everybody, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a haul and project shares from Inloveartshop. I'm part of their design team and they sent me some great new dies that I'm excited to show you and show you the projects that I made with them. I have a 20% off code for my subscribers as well. I will list it down below in the description box so you get 20% off your order. They have really great stuff. I've gotten things from them before and I'm always happy with the quality and I think they're really fun too. So the projects I made this time are Valentine's Day, which is coming soon. So I thought I would just showcase them in Valentine's. But the first thing I got was the set of 7 hearts. And of course, they're good for Valentine's Day, but you can use hearts all year round. So this is the set, and they're all different sizes of hearts, and they cut out really well. They look like doilies when they're cut out. You can use them for embellishments or even just like card bases. And yeah, so I thought this would be a really handy set to have. I love heart dies, and I love the scallops on the borders of these, and there's some stitching as well. Yeah, they cut out really nicely. The smaller ones, the little scallop just kind of embosses, so it also looks really cute. So I like this set a lot. The next thing I got was an embossing plate, and this has little stitched hearts all over it. So I thought this would be perfect for backgrounds, just to add some texture to your paper, adds some interest to solid papers, especially like pearls and glitters and, just regular plain paper. So I can't wait to show you what I made with those. The next ones I got, I put them on a magnet sheet just to be easier. Let's start down here at the bottom. This is like a border, and this you can use this either as like 4-leaf clovers for St. Patrick's Day or just as regular flowers. And I use them for regular flowers because, well, one, I thought the petals kind of look like hearts. And also I can't find my St. Patrick's Day stuff, so I'm just using them as Valentine's Day. So I'll show you what I made with those. I love to use borders like this on cards. And okay, and then I've seen a lot of people use this set, this scalloped stitched tag set, and it's really, really versatile. I was very excited to get it because I wanted to, try it out. You can make banners with it. You can make tags. I made a tag flip with it. So, and it's, it's 10 pieces. So there are 5 different sizes of banners or tags, banners. And it comes with the stitched part, and then it comes with like a outline part as well. So you can like make it a frame. You can make shakers out of it. Just there are so many different possibilities with all the different size dies that come in this set. So I'll show you those. And then the last set I got, this came in a set, and these are corner dies. There's like this kind of like a trellis looking one with the wave or scalloped corner border, and then this flourishy kind of one too. So also good for corners of cards and things like that, or just to add to embellishments. Just it's good to have these in your stash because I think you'll use them a lot. So those are all the dies I got. Let me show you my projects. Let's move you over too. Okay, let's start with the card. This is the card I made, and I used that wave border, as you can see. I cut it out twice in gold glitter, and oh, you can see me, hi, and also in pink. And then I glued on some embellishments. There's some little pearl hearts and some heart buttons. And this ephemera I had in my stash. I just cut a background piece of paper to the right size for the wave border, and then I cut the card 6 by 6. So yeah, I think it's very simple, but I really like how it came out. I love the texture in the different flowers, and then the glitter, of course, is fun. And then adding fun things to the centers, I think really just gives it a little extra. And this is very flat, as you can see, so it'll be easy to mail. Just these little things sticking out. It's no biggie. So that's my first project. Hope you like it. Just leave that over there. And then, yeah, I made a tag flip with the, well, it's kind of like a tag flip mini album with the others. And I used all of them in this project. So this is my little mini album, and we can go through it page by page. So I used the biggest banner to cut out every page, and I cut it out twice. I cut it out of pink cardstock and then white 110-pound cardstock to make each page really nice and thick. Okay, and then I used the smaller banner. You can kind of see it on the inside to cut just like a liner piece. And then I used the heart embossing plate on every page to emboss the background. This one, I covered up a lot of it, but you'll be able to see it more in some of the others. So that's what I used from this die set for the first page. The paper collection I used is the Cupid and Company from Cartabella, which is new this season. I cut out some hearts out of different papers. This was from another die in my stash. And I made just a bow with a lot of different trims that I have. And then I made this cute little charm dangle thingy with some beads that I had as well. I wire wrapped this one. This was one of the beads that I just got from Michael's, and I just added some seed beads on the end. I'm not the best wire wrapper, but I think it came out okay. And this is a charm I made with a piece of resin I had in my stash. I just used a plastic bale. And then same for the strawberry. So I just thought that was cute. And that way, you know, it can, actually I'm keeping this, but if it was for somebody else, they could take it off and put it on their purse or something like that. So yeah, and then I put some ribbon just to add a little bit of texture on the outside pages. And I added some glossy accents on different parts of the truck. And I added eyelets to each of the holes. I did that in every page, and some pretty pink binder rings to hold it all together. So that is the cover. And what I did was on each page I decorated, and then on the inside I added a picture. So this is the first page. That's my son, one of his senior pictures from this year. So as you can see, I added one of those little flourish corner pieces here to hold him inside there. I might just glue it as well, but right now it's just being held on by that. And then the main decorated page, I used some star eyelets. I used some Valentine paper I had in my stash. And here's where you could see the embossed heart plate in action, or you know, a result of it anyway. And I really like it. It works really good when you have like a smaller print page too, because then you can really see the stitched hearts. And yeah, this is one of those hearts from Inloveartshop that came out so cute, I think. A tip I have for cutting these out, since there are all these little pieces to cut out of the scallops, make sure you put a piece of wax paper in between your paper and the die, and that makes it much easier to get out. So that worked really well for me. So that's that page. And the next page, that's my daughter from her senior picture a couple of years ago. I used the other corner piece right there to hold the picture inside. Again, you can see the on the foil paper, you can really see the heart stitching. And these are 3 of the different hearts from that new set. See how the smaller one, it doesn't really cut out the scallops, which is fine because there's a really, really teeny, but it makes them nice and embossed. And this is just an embellishment I had in my stash. I did some glossy accents, also some ephemera from my stash. So, and those are cute little start eyelets. I love those. Okay, the next page, I added a picture of my son and me. And yep, held in with another one of those flourishes. And oops, one of the pages is falling out. Okay, so I made a shaker out of the tag dies here, which you can just do by combining different sizes and different shapes of those tag dies. So that's what I did with this. And I added a lot of fun little shaker bits, some Valentine ones, seed beads, some chunky glitter, some little acrylic pieces as well. Again, you can see the embossed hearts in the background. And this was from my stash. I love this page. Yeah, and a couple of buttons and some bling right there, which I think the bling kind of shifted a little, but oh well. So I really like this page. Even though it doesn't really say anything, I think it's just fun with the shaker. So yeah, there's that page. And the next one is a picture of me and my daughter. And again, a corner piece. And this one I thought was really simple, but I just love this little piece of ephemera. I think it's from a crepe paper collection. I don't remember the name of it. It was from a couple of years ago. But anyway, I used some stickers that I had in my stash, and of course cut out the hearts and the embossing plate again. And just pink and white, added some twine, just like that one. And then the next one is a picture of my husband and my son. And this one, I just used some thickers I had in my stash and some puffy, or like shaker stickers as well. And there are those embossed hearts again. You can't really see them as much on this paper, but in person you can see them better. Yeah, I just really love these tag dies. I think they're so pretty. And then the last page is my husband and my daughter. So yeah, that's my little tag flip mini album. I hope you guys liked it. It was so fun to make, especially with these papers and of course with the pictures of my family. Hopefully they'll all appreciate this. Just a little Valentine gift to my family. So those are my projects today. Hope everybody's doing great. Please stay tuned for other crafty videos. Again, I do have a 20% off code for Inloveartshop, which I will leave in the description box. And thanks to Inloveartshop for sending me these products. I really enjoyed working with them, and I'm sure I'll make lots more projects with them as well. Especially once I find my St. Patrick's Day stuff, I can use that one die. But I did like the challenge of making it into just flowers. I think those came out super cute anyway. So yeah, anyway, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I'd love to hear what you think, and take care everybody, and I will be back soon. Bye.